to my channel. It's Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I usually do mostly synthetic wig related content, but I have a collaboration today. This beautiful girl right here is Peggy from Motown Tress. There should be a review up on her, but if not, then put that down below and I'll put her up sooner rather than later. I do pre-film, so there is a lot of content that's already filmed and up and privated on YouTube, so I can change my schedule around. If this is your first time joining me, I do upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Please consider subscribing because it's fun here. And if you do subscribe, you become one of my little doll babies. Hi doll babies, how are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today, like I said, I have a collaboration. And we are collaborating with a company called Just4kira, okay? And they were gracious enough to send me some colored contacts to try out and see what I think and show you and see what you think, okay? I have done a few videos with colored contacts. I purchased those contacts, so the videos related to these contacts will go in my colored contacts playlist, which I will put down below. These particular contacts, these were gifted to me to get my thoughts and to share them with you, and so thank you so much for Just Kira. They also gave me a discount code, and it's just TIAMARIA, all caps. I'll put it on the screen right here, and that is for you guys to receive 20% off, okay? Which is really awesome. I have checked out their website in order to choose the colors that I wanted to review for y'all. Dude, my country's coming out. And they have some really great deals, really great sales. So if you're someone who is interested in wearing colored contacts, just either to change your look, to enhance the color you already have, I would consider maybe checking them out. I'll give you my thoughts once I'm done with all this, but just in general, color contacts can be an easy, fun way to just switch up your look a little bit. They do come, mine are not prescription, but they do have prescription options as well. Funny little story. I don't think I've ever shared this. I don't think I've ever shared this in any video. So this is exclusive to this video. I sang backup for Barry Manilow once with a group of people. And I was in high school, 17 or 18. And I was very surprised when I met Barry in person because he does have beautiful blue eyes and he's known for that. If any of you know who Barry Manilow is, you would know he was known for his blue eyes. But he did wear blue colored contacts to enhance them, especially with photographs and stage presence and all of that. So I was really shocked that he wore colored contacts. His eyes were a beautiful blue, but the contacts really made them pop. Oh, that is just a little story time for this. All right, treat for y'all. Okay, seriously. All right, so this is, I'm gonna include pictures and things of how I haven't opened the contacts up, but I did open the box up, so I have pictures of how I received it just initially. But it has this gorgeous box and it says Just4kira on it. I mean, it's gorgeous. And for the cost of what these contacts are, I think the packaging is stellar, to be honest with you. So they do get an A for the packaging. It says colored contact lenses, and then it says lost in your eyes. So cute. There's nothing on the back, and then on one side, it's really simple, beautiful, comfortable, breathable. So then you open it up just like you would like a cake box situation, and it says their name right in the inside. This is a little card it came with. I put my code on it just because I don't want to forget. But it's a little thank you card on one side, and it is the sort of how to put contacts in on the inside. I'll say I love this because, like I said, I have ordered and used other colored contacts, and they actually didn't have any instructions on how to put contacts in. You would think, okay, well, someone's ordering them, so they should know, but they don't. They don't always know. So it does, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 colored contacts. So I'm actually going to do the 2 blue ones today, and then I will do the additional other 2 in other videos. So, but I just want to share you. I just want to share you. I don't actually want to share you. All right, so I got, these are 1 each. So a pair would come in 2 separate boxes. I got the I think it's Heeto Violet. So it's Heeto Violet, okay? And this is the shade as much as you can, because it's like a contacts. And then if you have them in a prescription level, it'll tell you which power they are, so you can know which one would be left and right, because not everybody has the same power in both eyes. So we're gonna set those to the side because I'll film those a little bit later. I'll put the videos up within the same week so you can see all of them together. Let's go ahead and look at this one. This is the crystal green. Okay, and again, name, color, and then the power for each. Mine are both 0. So let's put those to the side. They also come with like some of the cutest little contact cases I've ever seen. I mean, ever. Okay, and I'm not going to open them all up right this second. And then they come with like a little bumper. It comes in this little package like this, but this is what it looks like unwrapped. Okay, so it's clear. It's got these pink, and then you can see down at the bottom there's an R on one of them, so this would be right and left. And also you can see it on the back. That might be better. Okay, when you open it up, it has these little tweezers. Okay, these grabbing tweezers, because you really do not want to use your fingers if you can help it. And then also this thing, which I think is a scoopy. Let me see. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not positive of what this is. It's got like a little suction cup on one side and like a little scoopy on the other. If you know what this is for, let me know, because I'm not positive. But I think those little tools in there are really helpful and really awesome. So one of the things that it did not come with that the other contacts that I have reviewed have come with was contact solution. So just keep in mind that you may need to purchase that. And it may have been an option to purchase with this, and I just didn't do that. Let's start with the Aurora Blue. Right, so I'm going to stop this. I'm going to open this up. It's got this little like push thing in here. I have hazel brown eyes. Yes, hazel brown. And my son actually has blue eyes, so that's interesting. So let me go ahead and put these contacts in and show you the side by sides, and then I will come back with my thoughts at the end, because it'll be final thoughts. I don't know, people.
I tell you for sure that tonight will be different. I promise you'll understand. As the moon rises, the dark sets upon us, and then I will take your hand. Tell you that I want you, and that I need you. Tell me that you understand. And I will tell you that I want you, and that I need you. Make me the happiest man.
So I have them in. First and foremost, I find them to be very comfortable. They were super easy to get in. I do find that in general though, with like colored contacts, sometimes you can get them in immediately and sometimes you can't, but they went in right away. I'm really excited. This one was bothering me at first, but I honestly think that I had like, when I put makeup on, I just, there's so much extra makeup. I think it was eyeshadow, but it's worked itself out. It's adjusted to my eyes, so it's not uncomfortable anymore. This one was comfortable right away. One tip for you, if I wasn't filming this video, I would have put the contacts in first and then done my makeup, just because in general, your eyes probably will water, or maybe wait for the underside stuff until you have them in, just because in general, putting anything in your eye for a second and to get it adjusted, your eyes will water a little bit. So no, I have not been crying, but I think I really love the finished product. Which ones are these? These are the Aurora Blues. So I think these are gorgeous. so I got the second ones in. They were a tad more challenging because they seem to be a little bit softer, which is great in terms of like not feeling them. But that makes them a little bit more flimsy too. So just keep that in mind. So the first ones are definitely darker, and those are the Just for Kira, sort of their house brand. And then the other ones, the ones that I'm wearing right now, are from the Mirage color. And that's that brand. The interesting thing about these Mirage ones are they aren't fully blue. So I'm gonna zoom in. They actually do have a lighter colored brown. So I really love that. If you want to do something that's a little bit more subtle, I think having ones that have part of your natural eye color in them is fun and nice, but it's not going to be so drastic that people are going to like lose their minds. Okay. And so these ones are called the Heeto Blue. The other ones are the Just Kira in the Aurora. So far so good. I am going to do one more video with the green and the purple, so look out for that. But so far, thank you to Just for Kira. I'm liking them so far. I'm actually going to wear them. If you know me, you know that I pre-film and I back-to-back film. I'm actually recovering from surgery right now, so I can't lift anything or walk or whatever, but I can sit here and film, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have a stack of wigs to review, so I'm going to leave them in, and if I remember, I will either put on screen voiceover or whatever how I'm feeling after wearing them for, you know, a few hours. And so yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you like these types of videos, these contact videos, check out my playlist down below. Also give this a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more of this sprinkled in. And again, go visit Just for Kira, and I will put all of their information and I'll put all their information and contact information down below, their links and things. Don't forget, if you want to purchase, to use the code TIAMARIA in all caps to receive 20% off. These are very, I'll put their prices down below too, but these are very budget friendly contacts to begin with. So to get an extra 20% off is like, ooh, 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 ooh. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.